Texas Twinkies. These are always in season, so settle up, little Dougie. So today we're using some ground brisket and cream cheese for our filling. I got the Oklahoma Joe's Tahoma 900 running at 225 degrees. After an hour laying on some smoke, this looks good enough for me. You're going to want to drain that brisket meat because it's got a lot of fat in it. Go ahead and add your cream cheese. Now get all in there. Do a slight cut across the top of your jalapeno, then slice it down the center, then pull them guts out. Just take you a spoon and get the stuffing. Wrap these bad boys up good and tight. Let's kick the heat up to 350 real quick. This is a fairly quick cook. It should only take an hour. After 50 minutes, glaze them with your favorite barbecue sauce. That's some good eating right there, folks. Let me tell you what. There seems to be a million ways to make Texas Twinkies, and they're all good as long as you enjoy eating them. So enjoy.